Oh yeah, key would be good.
What
Oh,
do
look,
I need?
a key.
There's
we
a
need
key.
a key.
There's a key in it.
You need a key in the car.
There's a key in it. Oh, it's separate?
Yes.
Here we go. Bye. So we were just in that one. Just in that one. Now we're in this one. Son of a bitch.
Ah, we're gonna.
I'm gonna get him. Get him on the straight.
I got a pencil sticking out of my pocket.
Just the mirror here. Poor little thing. She's a little shorter than I am. Alright, so here's max power on this sucker. Still pretty damn fast, but no comparison. This is what I expected out of the other one. A nice, new, fast car. Actually, the truth is, this is a little bit faster than I was expecting. This is the GTS.
This is GTS.
Yeah, so
same year.
there's a little more power than the other one stock even.
This is a 2018 GTS. This one's fully stock, and we know it's stock. We verified it.
Do you hear that weird fucking turbo Subaru,
Is that what that is?
Subaru whine when you drive it like a race car? It makes a very weird sound.
I didn't hear that in the last car.
No. Well, this doesn't have as much power, so I'm trying to drive it with a smoother line to try to maintain the same speed. Hear that?
It's not wheel rub?
No.
Nope.
If you, no, I can hear it. It's like blow-off noise.
Okay.
It's like if you're not either on it or barely on it, it makes this noise. And unfortunately in racing, that's kind of where you always are. You're just barely on it. You know what I mean? Because you don't slow down for the turn, so you want to just nurse that power on. And that's when that fucking noise comes out of the back. That could be a tuning issue though. Or maybe, you know what, maybe it's gone now. Maybe we blew it out. I have no idea how she drives this car. I'm not taking it easy. How do you feel?
This is really smooth. It's a little more refined. I like that the other one was a bit aggressive. This is...
I think I'm driving it that way too. Here, I'll mash on it a little bit. You know, the other one was stick.
That's the difference.
So I'm able to, you know, you really get that.
The clutch.
The give and take of the pull. This is kind of, I'm able to be more linear. I mean, this is why the performance numbers are better on these ones, you know,
right.
On the PDK.
Now, does the car lose its soul on the PDK?
Where is the car's soul?
Yeah.
No, that's the question to me, is what I returned. Where is the car's soul?
On this one.
No, I'm in a car. Where is the car's soul? Because, like, if you believe it's in the interaction in the experience, turned off again.
Yeah.
In the experience that the driver has with the interaction with the car, no, I don't think it maybe has a soul. But if it's like, oh, that the engine,
Yeah.
you know, the engine, this has that. This absolutely has it. It's a Porsche. They all do. I don't know. I think it depends on where the soul is for you. You know what I mean? The soul isn't in the transmission unless it's about the driver experience.
Okay,
What
so
just
like,
happened? It just turned on
turned
again.
on. So like an Avatar, he takes that thing from his hair and he connects it to that beast that he rides. Like that's
And
what
they
I
become
think.
one?
They become one. That's what I feel like a lot of the air-cooled or all of these like tuned vehicles feel like. They become part of you. They're like, you're connected to them.
Yes.
This, I don't feel as connected, but it's really quick.
Agreed.
It's very
You're
fast.
driving the computer. It's a very nice
Yeah.
utilitarian thing, but it's not an extension of you.
Yeah,
Whereas when I was driving the La Tortuga earlier, I know we're not supposed to refer back and forth, but in La Tortuga, the Auto Kennel, the old car, the classic car, I felt connected to that car.
Right. And I did too. I felt like I was part of its history for that moment. I felt like I was just another calendar date in its history. And like you could feel it all around you. Where in this, it's like, it's a cool car, but
I felt like the last one was a very mutually interactive experience where the car was doing half of it, I was doing half of it. I feel like I'm a very well-respected user by this machine.
right.
I feel like this machine respects me. This machine will do its best to protect me, get me where I want to go in style. But without a doubt, it's a machine doing the numbers.
Yeah.
There's no connection with it on a molecular level.
Right. Yeah, I think.
Wow, we got deep on that one.
Yeah, very deep.
It's the third one of the day. We're tired. Thinking of stuff to say. All right, let's check it out. What are you driving today? It's a 2018 Cayman GTS PDK. I believe it's stock all the way around. Plenty of car. Not my favorite Porsche ever, but my goodness, it definitely delivers. It is so comfortable, so quick. David likes it.
I like it.
All right, I'll get on it a little bit.
But going back to PDK versus manual, like stick, like I can see why PDK on a track would be fun. Your goal is time attack, your goal is racing, like
Yes.
you're there to race.
Yep.
So I can see the application for it, and that totally makes sense. Up here where I want to be engaged with the car and the road and be one, I'd want a manual vehicle.
Same. This is very fun and it's amazing, but video game fun.
Right.
It's video game fun. This is the reason I got rid of the M4. I had exactly this. At the last minute, I didn't get the stick. We got a DCT, the dual clutch. Love those guys. Shout out to Caltrans District 7. Keeps these roads in great shape. Great shape for us. Best roads in LA. And I don't just mean driving roads, the best condition,
Oh yeah.
best maintained.
Yeah, it's crazy. It snowed midweek, and the road is like this.
Yep.
They do an amazing job.
It was rocky like hell yesterday. It's like they broom sweep it on Friday mornings. It's amazing. I don't mean literally they do it for us, but it feels that way sometimes, and we're grateful.
Yeah.
There's some rocks that before they weren't there. So you see what I mean? Like this crest is a living thing. It's constantly evolving and changing and moving. They need to be on it 24/7 in order to keep us safe.
Yep.
And that's kind of a cool thing. Like we all work together in order to maintain and enjoy this. Well, that got going every bit as fast as the GT3 RS. And you know what that means.
Oh yeah, that was quick.
I hammered down and I ran it right to the red line, which I was afraid to do in the other one because it felt like there was so much power. I didn't want to be the guy who runs it up, and even though his car probably could take it, I'm sure, I just didn't want to be the guy. So I definitely was. I wrung this out. Do you remember the girl's name who drives this car?
I don't.
Damn it, me neither. She's really nice. I follow her on Instagram. Is that a beer can?
Yeah, it looked like a
Shit, I can't think of her name right now. Anyway, thanks for letting
I'll
me
add
drive
her
your car.
Instagram down below so people can follow her.
Good call.
Yeah.
She's very cool. Thanks for the drive in this car. Also, I'm sure she's like, I love it. I love it. I'm in love it. I drive it every day.
Woo! She said she puts a roof rack on it and takes it to the beach.
Love it. With a
I love it
surfboard.
too.
Yeah.
With the surfboard.
You hear that noise again? Do you think she drives it like this?
I would hope so.
Hey, that guy moved his car finally. Took the hit. Took the hit.
He's gone.
Well, poor Kevin had to park all the way up here by
Yeah.
the sign. One of the OG Breakfast Club guys. All right, so we need to go get a sticker, right?
Yep.
You stay in the car. I'll just run out and get one real quick.
Go for it. I'll get out of the car when.
I was gonna ask for one.
Oh, no kidding. Well, where do you want it then? Where do you want it?
Put it somewhere on the back.
That's what I was going to do. All right, perfect.
Whatever you think.
All right, so we got caught, but she approved, so I guess
Yeah,
it's okay.
Totally fine.
How hard do you drive this car?
How, you mean my skill?
Yeah, no, I mean you. How hard do you drive this car?
Pretty hard.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah, no
It feels like it's been broken in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We were trying trying to sneak the thing on
The
there.
sticker.
And everything, so we're out of the car, but this one's tough.
This one's tough. This is a nice car.
Yeah,
It's
spectacular
fucking
car.
Fast. Sorry.
Fast.
Yeah.
Handles great. Does everything you need
Right.
incredibly easily. Anybody could drive.
Anyone could drive. If I were tracking, I'd like the smoother transitions. I'd go for this car. But as a Canyon car,
The other one's faster.
The other one's
This
much
one is
faster.
more
Right.
roundabout.
This one's more refined. But I like the aggression on the other one.
Yeah.
So I'm like kind of in between. I still love it though.
If you were to buy this car, would you buy it in stick or PDK?
I'd buy it in stick.
You would. So you'd have this car, the GTS in a stick.
I'd have a GTS in stick.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So maybe not this particular car, but one of these.
Oh, one of these for sure.
How do we do that? Is that a no for this one? Because it's
I
not really.
think-
There's nothing against the car.
It's not the car that's. Yeah. I think it's just our personal feelings of what we
Yes.
like to drive.
Yes. So if we were tracking, yeah, probably.
If we were tracking, thumbs up.
for our purposes with how we live our lives,
Somewhere down here.
that's honest.
Yeah,
That's
it's honest.
What's her Instagram?
What's your Instagram?
Too stuff, too furious.
I knew I couldn't remember. I said it was something clever. Two Steph, Too Furious. So
Got
follow
it.
Two Steph, Too Furious. Badass car. Badass car.
Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.